Good day, guys. You guys have been asking me to drop more videos, so I'll be dropping this into interior Lumion preset, which I think will work majorly for everybody. And let me just take you out of this. I won't be taking you through this, also like a default Lumion thing. Then this is my model. Don't mind the rough model. So I won't be taking you through the basic of editing materials and the rest in these tutorials. If you guys actually need how to edit materials, you can drop it in the comment section. So I will do a comprehensive tutorial on how to do wood material, all these materials. So today we're just going to focus on interior preset. And a guideline for this tutorial is to achieve this, I'll actually start from a fresh page. But before I start, you guys should try and subscribe and turn up your notification. Also try and like this video. First thing I want to do, I want to delete the interior light that is already in this scene. I want to at least place that from scratch. I won't delete this rope light because rope light is something you people should know how to do. And if you don't know how to do it, let me know in the comment section. So to load in light, what you're going to use is go to spotlight. I like this lamp 03. Then I drop it. 1, 2, 3. Then the next one I go to Lumion light, then drop this. 1, 2, 3. That's all I need for this thing. So if you come to your camera setting, okay, it's quite too bright. So what you need to do majorly is, I like reducing select all identical objects. I like reducing the cone light. I like reducing the brightness. All you just want is small brightness, something like this. So let me go down again to show you for this particular interior. I make sure the brightness is around 9.4, and that's the light we'll be using for this tutorial. So I think maybe I should just copy the same light. Yeah. So okay, let me snap. Yeah, this is what you see. And this is a new page. So for my preset, if you want to load in my preset, I will give you a link to download the preset. Maybe I'll upload the preset on my drive. So go to file, load the preset, interior preset. So when you load the preset, this is how the preset is. For this view, I want to add one more preset, which is 2-point perspective. I want it to be I want it to be straight. So the only thing you have to edit on this preset is the reflection, which you need to add. Remove the planes already in this preset. Just be clicking, you'll keep removing the plane and add your own plane. I'll add this plane. I will add this plane. I will add this plane. I'll add this plane. I'll add this plane. Yeah. So basically this is all. Then let's hit our rendering tab and say, let's use desktop. So, test. Enter. Okay. I think this is actually nice. If you guys want me to take you through the process of editing material, yeah, I think we're done. That's all. And you have this magnificent interior. So you guys can, I think you should like, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on your notification so that whenever I drop another video, you guys will be the first guy to see the video. I think that is all for now. Thank you guys.